The Abanijori mountain and cave of about 900 meters high above the sea level for the first time hosted about 350 tourists of different ages from within and outside the state to feel the work of nature and the tourism potentials abound in the state. It was an adventure of about 1 hour tour from the base to the mountain top, as tourists were conspicuously elated to be part of the hike as they enjoyed the various aspects of the tour, though strenuous but an interesting experience as they had stopover at different points to feel the work of nature. In reality, this is real adventure to Abanijori Hill, a reflection of tourism potential abound in Ekiti State. Among the most interesting parts of the mountain safari, which will remain evergreen, was the visit to the natural amphitheater on the top part of the mountain, which could contain over 200 people, although the arrival of the tourists at the amphitheater seems to be terminal point. But interestingly, an amazing part of the mountain is still ahead as the tourists made a trip to the mountain top where they felt the vintage part of Ado-Ekiti, the state capital. At this arena, it was full of fun as tourists played games, danced to Ekiti hip-hop, while many inscribed their signature to mark their presence on the mountain top.
Now that we've seen that Ekiti is made up of different formations of rocks, and we've actually trailed and hiked them, so this would actually open the eyes of Ekiti to this type of tourism.
It's an adventure, so the thing is amazing by getting to know more people here, and the thing is very lively. You understand, it is something somehow challenging, but it's great because you have people with as in hearts of joy here.
It's a huge potential on tap that I want the state government to do something about. This can generate a lot of money and opportunities for Ekiti State.
We are surrounded by hills and mountains. So, but one of the key things is that all these hills and mountains should not just be there. There should be a source of revenue generation for the for the government, for the community that actually own it, and to operators too.
Can you see a lot of people coming here? These are people who came all the way all over Nigeria. They come to identify with Ekiti Hills, and they come to identify and see the most unique, one of the most unique tourism projects in Ekiti, in the world, in Nigeria, in West Africa, in Africa.
To this 9-year-old Adejuwon Balogun, who doubled as tourist and Red Cross personnel, it was an experience that will always bring nostalgic moments. Residents of Abanijori area of Inyekiti expressed delight that such an amazing place could be located and enjoined governments to turn the mountain to a tourist site that could boost the state economy. What an amazing adventure as people from far and near converge on this particular hill to feel the tourism potential abound in Ekiti State. Ayode Jogunshakin, NTA News.